Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, a bag contains 3 red balls, 3 blue balls and 9 green balls. John draws 2 balls out of the bag. What is the probability that he gets a green ball and a blue ball? Here, firstly, the total number of balls are 3 plus 3 plus 9. It means there are 15 total number of balls. Okay. Let S be the sample space of number of ways of drawing 2 balls out of 7. That is out of 15, because 15 are the total number of balls. So it can be found by 15C 2 ways. Means 15 into 15 minus 1, that is 15 into 14, divided by 2 into 2 minus 1. It means 2 into 1. So it is 105. Let E be the event of getting 1 green and 1 blue ball. So 1 green means out of 9 green balls we can select 1 in 9C1 ways. Okay, and out of 3 blue balls we have to select 1, and we can select this in 3C1 ways. So NC1 is N. So it is 9 into 3 means 27. So probability of E is probability of getting 1 green and 1 blue ball is N of E divided by N of S. Means 27 divided by 105. So our correct option is option D.